Week 1 of Doris's acne protocol was focused on calming inflammation, restoring barrier integrity, and creating an antibacterial environment without overstimulating the skin. I completed 2 cleanses, a skin analysis, and performed very light extractions only where necessary to minimize trauma and prevent additional inflammation or hyperpigmentation. Next, I used Helen Hush Incredible Enzymes containing papain and bromelain to gently digest dead surface cells without mechanical trauma, while Daisy Flower Extract supports brightening by inhibiting tyrosinase. This allows me to initiate cellular turnover safely in pigment-prone skin. I then degreased with Hypo 21, a 100% pure hypochlorous, and performed 15 minutes of cold atmospheric plasma. Plasma reduces bacterial load, balances oil production, calms inflammation, and increases skin permeability, enhancing the absorption of corrective ingredients applied afterwards. I followed with an acne barrier repair ampule containing ceramide NP and Centella asiatica. Ceramides reinforce the lipid barrier, and Centella calms inflammation, and antioxidant plant extracts support healing while reducing oxidative stress. I then used blue LED for 6 minutes to target acne-causing bacteria, followed by red LED for 6 minutes to reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. I finished this off with a complex ampule containing fermented pomegranate and calendula to calm the skin, support healing, and improve overall conditioning. And then I ended it with the moisturizer containing Centella, tea tree to seal in hydration, support healing, and maintain a balanced anti-inflammatory environment.